No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Today we'll be making a modern Eminem beat that is capable of fucking clubs up and get you all the bad bitches in the club. Because as we all know, if the females aren't vibing, then you might as well just retire from this shit. Trust me, I'm a professional and I know exactly what I'm talking about.
Because I've been here before, I'm a professional. This is what I do.
Okay, Eminem's beats usually don't have a high BPM, so let's turn down our BPM to around 120. Now let's work on some smooth chords that can serenade any woman into falling in love with you and call you daddy. But not like those cringy simps that make me want to jump off a building every time they try to pick up women.
Did you fart? Because you just blew me away. Can I have your number?
You gotta check out my brand.
Oh.
Let me add a little bit of spice to that.
Shape a box for half time, EQ, micro shift, and a compressor. Now let's copy what we've just made and paste it into a new pattern, and find a guitar that sounds as nice as some good punani, if you know what I mean.
Let me see. That's Dr. Evil's cat.
How can you tell?
I never forget a pussy. Cat.
Let's copy-paste the pattern one more time for the piano, but this time we'll stretch out the note length to be longer, just like my little guy down there. Reverb, a stereo widener, and an EQ to help cut out some low frequencies. Choirs usually add a different kind of energy to a beat, so let's grab one. We're almost done with the instrumentation, so let's find some strings that sound as mean as someone who's just gotten out of a bad relationship.
Women, huh? Get up!
Now that we've got all of the instrumentation down, let's work on some drums. Now let's see if we can find a hard-hitting 808 that is capable of starting a war.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always!